Hello everyone, welcome to my educational channel. Today I am going to explain the poem with the meanings. The poem Geography Lesson by Julfika Ghosh from the Honeydew textbook of class 8th. The whole poem has no rhyming scheme. Here the poet tells us about how the earth looks different at different heights. First, I'm going to read the first stanza. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the wall it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. Here the poet is talking about the view from the jet airplane. He tells that the city has been developed in an haphazard way. Whatever he sees from the jet window lacks organized. Here the word sprang means fly, flew. Then the word inevitability means which cannot be avoided. Alright, now I'm going to read the second stanza. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Here the poet says that when he saw the earth from 10,000 feet, he was able to comprehend that it is the land and water that attracts man or habitation, because the land near the river is always fertile, and therefore many cities developed where the rivers were flowing and valleys too were populated for similar regions. He is talking about the logic of geography means land and water always attracted man. This line is given, land and water attracted man means man always go where there is a river, there is a source of water. Why? The land will be fertile for his livelihood. Here you can see the words delineated. What does delineated mean? Shown, shows. Alright, that's why the poet is talking that land and water attracted man. It is very clear, it shows. Alright, now let's read the last stanza. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not very clear why. Now here, children, as the plane attained another 6 miles height, all right, it was easier to understand. The earth was round. The shape of the earth was round, and there was more water than land. But what he just could not understand, what he said, he could not understand what? Why men hated and killed each other. The line here, he found why causes to hate each other. All right, he could not understand the reason behind building high. We build walls across cities, developing ill feeling towards each other. Geography was never about borders, barriers, or territorial differences. When seen from above, the earth looked very beautiful. Man had given these meanings to geography, and why man did that, he just could not understand. It is not very clear why. The poet has mentioned this, that it is not clear why people have built these barriers among themselves. I hope you will understand the poem clearly. Thank you. Take care.